Throughout history, some disasters have left a lasting mark on humanity. From deadly smogs to man-made tragedies, these catastrophes were so devastating that their effects are still felt today. Let's dive into 5 of the worst disasters that shook the world. Bhopal Gas Tragedy. Why you should never mix chemicals without caution. The Bhopal Gas Tragedy, one of history's worst industrial disasters, occurred on the night of December 2nd and 3rd, 1984 in Bhopal, India. A toxic gas leak at a pesticide plant owned by Union Carbide India Limited was triggered when water entered a storage tank due to poor maintenance and safety failures, releasing 40 tons of deadly methyl isocyanide into the air. The gas quickly spread to nearby residential areas, causing symptoms like coughing, vomiting, and difficulty breathing. That night, thousands lost their lives, with estimates ranging from 3,000 to 8,000 people. Great Smog of London. What caused the deadliest smog in history? The Great Smog of London was a severe air pollution event from December 5th to December 9th, 1952. It was caused by a mix of cold weather, high pressure, and increased coal burning for heating. This combination trapped pollution near the ground, creating a thick fog that reduced visibility to just a few meters. The smog led to serious respiratory issues, with estimates of 4,000 to 12,000 deaths and thousands more affected. Rana Plaza factory collapse. How thousands of lives could have been saved with a simple warning. On April 24, 2013, the Rana Plaza factory in Dhaka, Bangladesh, collapsed, causing a major disaster. The 8-story building housed several garment factories and was built with poor quality materials, failing to meet safety standards. Despite reports of cracks the day before, production continued, leading to the building's collapse under heavy machinery. The disaster resulted in over 1,100 deaths and more than 2,500 injuries, primarily among garment workers. Minamata Disease. Imagine getting a shocking disease after eating fish. Minamata Disease is a severe form of mercury poisoning, first identified in 1956 in Minamata City, Japan, caused by the Chiso Corporation dumping mercury waste into Minamata Bay. The mercury accumulated in local fish and shellfish, which residents consumed. The disease primarily affects the nervous system, causing tremors, coordination issues, numbness, and vision and hearing problems. Over 2,000 people were officially recognized as victims, though many more were affected. Deepwater Horizon oil spill. How an explosion caused 750 million liters of oil to leak. The Deepwater Horizon oil spill was one of the worst environmental disasters in history. It occurred on April 20, 2010, when a series of failures in the well's safety systems caused an explosion on the Deepwater Horizon oil rig operated by BP in the Gulf of Mexico. The explosion resulted in a massive oil leak, killed 11 workers, and caused the rig to sink. Over the next 87 days, an estimated 4.9 million barrels of oil spilled into the ocean before the well was finally capped. And that brings us to the end of these 5 disasters. Which tragedy stuck with you the most? Let us know in the comments below.